in the view tab, we have a query settings. Okay, so we have a query setting which basically display the query settings in a plane. So just click on this. What are the different query settings in the plane? It's going to be displayed. You can see that this is going to be disappear now. So if I want to click again, you can see the properties and query settings are going to be appearing with corresponding to the different applet steps you are going to be done. And also the formula bar. You don't want the formula bar. Okay, you can skip that. And also you can see the monospace. If I click on the monospace, you can see this is somewhat change the format, so I don't want that. So you can see the column show white space. Okay, so white space is going to be very helpful at the time we want, we require to write some of the things. And column quantity, you can see the valid error or the valid not error, like that. So some of the cases what will happen, you will get the red color mark, right? That means some of the error is there. So valid, that is fine. Valid, valid, empty, 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 like that. So that is the good point to visualize the things, and you can also view some of the perspective. And column distribution, if I just click on this, you can see distribution of the column. Each and every column is going to be helpful with the some distinct values and also the unique values. I don't want that currently. Column profile, you want to be get some of the profile with the each and every column, so that you will get some ideas and exploration to get in the column profile also. So if you want to go to any column, just click on the go to column. Okay, so I want to go to sales in million. You can see, yeah, you can see here. So it's by default it's going to be selected which column you want to be go. Then you can click on that and you can select that accordingly. Yeah. So and also something called as always hello, right? So if I click on this, it will helpful to understand. Always allow the parameters as in the data source and also the transformation dialogues. So some of the cases parameters is required. You have to, if you click on always allow, it's going to be by default you click on the always allow the parameters. And advanced editor, you want to be showcase some of the view modify the entire text in the query. So this is going to be helpful for the advanced editor. And also the query dependencies, you want to be know or you want to be show some of the dependency of your tree of the queries, just click on this so that it will give the tree wise query visualization thing with some of the dependencies. Yeah, you can see somehow to zoom. So you can see somehow to zoom, how does that going to be helpful with corresponding to the different data types or different tables you had and not loaded or loaded, like that. So this is very helpful at the time you are going to be get some of the things too much understanding way of things in a visual patterns. And also you can see we have an option called tool tab. Okay, so you can also import same as like whatever we did. I'm go to the ribbon tab. Okay, I'm go to the ribbon tab. I have a query here. So show some of the minimizations of the things, and also you can minimize the things, minimization some of the ribbon query. So if I click on view and also the tools, so diagnosis steps, it's going to basically evaluate and also the diagnosis the selected query step whatever you have. So if I click on this, I also get two different options. One is the diagnosis step and also the cancel diagnosis. So click on the diagnosis steps. So it will give some kind of property value. Some of the other tabs in the help options, you can see all the help options, guided learning and also the training with respect to some of the other things. Since we understood some of the tabs, help options are also very wonderful, community based, and also the guided learning kinds of the things, and also the Power BI developer. We eventually seen some of the tabs with respect to some related information with respect to the helping nature, right? So in this case study also, we are going to be see some other data type and also the dashboard creation with respect to in the whatever concepts we have till now learned, so that we can visualize the things much better. Thank you.